Hello friends, so if you are watching video till now I am going to explain this strategy. So firstly I made trade by looking at this wedgie volume indicator. So what actually was happening was whenever there was a green signal and this were blue candle, I am using a candlestick type called Hekinasi, and I was making trade on this basis that it would go up, it would go. But what I noticed was mm, this two currency pair was a little bit opposite, going opposite. That's why I adjusted my trade whenever there was a green wedgie wave indicator signal, and whenever it was going up I started to make trade by clicking on lower. Similarly in here also I started to trade by clicking on lower because this two currency pair was going opposite to this wedgie indicator signal. And in this currency pair it was going like, if it here is green then it, and here is blue candles, then it was going up. Firstly I made 2 3 trade mistake in all of these three currency pair. Now after making some trade I could remember that these two made opposite trades, and this was making trades according to the indicator, so I started to trade on that way. So this is my strategy number one. This is my personal strategy which is working for me, and it will work for you too. If you didn't understand, you can again watch this video to have a clear understanding. And the investment amount that I was trading was, firstly I was investing $1, and if it was a loss then I invested $3. If this was a loss I would invest $9. Now if I made profit in $9, then my total profit would be $8.46. I would cover my $1 loss and $3 loss, and then if I also make loss of $9, then I invested $20, and from that I could recover my previous three trades lost amount and a little bit of profit. And if I would have lost this $20 too, then I would stop trading for that day. I would target a total profit of my total investment, that is $20, $9 plus $3 plus $1. That would be, I guess, 10 to $43. 20 plus 9 and 10 30 plus $33, sorry, $33, and you can target a profit of $66 by utilizing this strategy. And you should remember that you should only open three currency pairs so that it would be easy for you to remember. You can also note down which currency pair is going opposite to wedgie wave volume and Hekinasi signal, and which currency pair is going aligned to the wedgie wave volume and Hekinasi candlestick. So if you start to trade in this way, if you practice in demo account, then you will find that this strategy works in several times. So if you don't have an account on IQ option, I have provided a link in the description through which you can sign up to their website and also download their mobile app and test this strategy. I hope this video was helpful for you to kickstart your trading journey in binary options. So please guys, don't be greedy, use proper strategy to trade binary options, and please do subscribe to my channel. I am bringing more strategies videos that I have been using from years to years now, and I'm quite profitable in binary options because I am using strategies that I have made myself, and in a consistent basis I trade on those strategy. I have several strategy to trade, and I will share with you all the working strategy that according to my experience. So for today it is this much. Now you can wait for my next strategy, that would be my personal strategy number 2. And please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss another strategy video. And thanks for watching this video. Happy trading. Bye bye.